Hi there, I'm Mike Thomas and I'm an IT trainer with 30 years experience, and although my expertise covers a range of Microsoft applications, I primarily focus on Excel. I'd like to spend a couple of minutes telling you about my webinar, Creating a Dashboard with Excel, which is aimed at HR professionals. A dashboard is used to provide a high-level overview of a business or a project. It allows you, your manager, in fact anyone, to track KPIs and other metrics and display them in an easy-to-understand way. The ability to create impressive, interactive and easy-to-use dashboards quickly is an incredibly valuable and sought-after skill, and this webinar will give you a good grounding in those skills. If you're looking for a Create Dashboard button on the ribbon, then you're out of luck. There isn't one. Creating a dashboard means knowing about things like formulas, tables and pivot tables, charts and slicers, and this is what will be covered on the webinar. But instead of taking all those features in isolation, we'll be using them together to build a dashboard. This data relates to a typical HR scenario, a list of past and current vacancies within a company. And here's a dashboard that can be used to track, summarise and report on the information. Not only will you learn how to build the dashboard, you'll also learn how to create the pivot tables and the formulas that underpin the dashboard. And although this example is from the recruitment side of HR, what you learn can be applied to any situation in any industry. So no matter what business sector you work in, no matter what your job role is, if you like to learn how to use Excel to create a dashboard, then this webinar is for you. By attending the live webinar, not only will you get a ton of information, but you'll also get answers to your queries during the Q&A session. I'll deliver the training using the latest version of Excel for Windows. That's Excel 2016. However, if you're a user of Excel 2010 or 2013, then don't worry, as much of the functionality covered is also available in those versions. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the webinar.